The dragonfly hovering over that pond is watching you right now. It's also watching everything else, in every direction, all at once. It can hover in one place for minutes, holding a fixed point in the air, scanning a pond it has already mapped in complete detail. Almost its entire head is eye. A single dragonfly eye can hold up to 30,000 separate lenses, each one pointing a slightly different direction. Together they wrap almost the whole way around its skull, giving it a field of view close to 360 degrees. There is almost no blind spot. To sneak up on a dragonfly, you'd have to approach from directly behind its own head. Those lenses are packed most densely across the upper half of the eye, the region aimed at the sky, where prey appears as a silhouette against the light. But the resolution isn't what makes this frightening, it's the speed. A dragonfly's brain processes around 200 images every second. Yours manages roughly 60, which means the world you see as smooth motion, a dragonfly sees as a slow, readable sequence of frames. A swatting hand to a dragonfly moves like it's traveling through syrup. It has already left before you finish the swing. Then there's color. You have 3 types of color receptor. Some dragonflies have been found to carry as many as 30. Every color you have ever seen, every shade you can name, is assembled from just 3 signals. Theirs may be built from 10 times that. They see ultraviolet light, invisible to us. They also read the polarization of light, which reveals water surfaces from a distance. Whatever a dragonfly experiences when it looks at a pond, it is not what you experience. It's something we have no words for. But the most unsettling part isn't what it sees. It's what its brain does with the information afterward. A dragonfly doesn't chase its prey. It predicts where that prey is going to be and flies to the empty space where they'll meet. Specialized neurons lock onto a single target inside a swarm and filter out everything else, tracking it through the chaos. Inside a swarm of hundreds of identical insects, it selects one. Everything else is suppressed, as if the rest of the swarm stopped existing. It even holds its head steady mid-flight to keep the image stable, the way a camera rig cancels out shake. The result is a hunter that succeeds on the vast majority of its attempts, a strike rate almost nothing else in nature comes close to. Most predators miss far more often than they connect. Lions, sharks, wolves, the dragonfly is in a different category entirely. And this design is ancient. Dragonflies were hunting the air roughly 300 million years ago, long before the first dinosaur. Fossils show wings like these in stone from an age before flowers existed, before birds, before anything with a backbone left the water for good. So the next time one hovers in front of your face and holds there, understand what's happening. You are being evaluated. You didn't see it decide. That's the point. It lives in a faster world than you do, and it always has.